Structural drivers analysis, covering how the numbers work, what you see step by step. The factor breakdown uses SHAP, values a method from machine learning that shows how much each input feature contributed to the driver's score. A factor marked helping means that input is making your projection faster. Driver bars like the dashboard, plus expandable cards for each driver. Tapping why this number on a driver shows its contributing factors labeled as helping, hurting, or neutral, each with a seconds value. Driver bars show the same scores and seconds as the dashboard See Driver strip. When you expand why this number on a driver, the backend runs SHAP, S-Happily additive explanations, using SHAP, tree explainer on the gradient boosting model. Strava tells you what you did. Garmin shows your data. PIRX tells you why it happened and what's next. Read the full guide at pirx.ca/docs and start your 14-day free trial today.